Jenny, you shouldn't eat it now. Later.
Oh my gosh, that is amazing.
Look at her. welcome, Thermi Living readers. And I have today Jenny here, so she's actually really naughty.
It's too good to be sitting watching. Oh my gosh, her cakes are divine.
Yeah, I wanted to tell you a little bit about our Nourishing Day by the Bay and wanted to show you a cake which we will make at that day as well. But yeah.
You said I could have some.
But later, oh my god. Okay, yes, so yeah, Jenny is here and you can tell a little bit about food, music and
our Nourishing Day.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, you guys using Thermomix already know about how to make nourishing, easy, beautiful, healthy meals for your families. And I'm obviously sharing eating some of Andrea's yummy recipes. But what I want to bring and share with you on the day, on the 19th, is how to use music as a way of nourishing ourselves. And a really easy, simple way of doing it, how to listen deeply to music. I will help you work out how you choose the music and set an intention. And then to go deeply in and listen to yourself surround yourself with beautiful music, a little bit like a meditation, but it's different to meditation.
Okay, is it easier? I hope it's easier because it's so hard to have a sustainable daily meditation technique.
Yeah, look, I actually use this every day. It's amazing.
Okay.
It's a matter of having the music ready, pushing the button, and then just surrendering and letting the music take you on a journey. And it's for stress release, it's for connecting to yourself deeply, it's for creative inspiration. Music is right there for us, and this guided imagery in music, and the way I've been trained, is such a powerful, easy way to tap into our untapped resources.
Oh, that's good. How long actually does it take, the whole process?
Look, working one-on-one with someone, I can work with someone for an hour and a half, but we can, just to do a simple process for ourselves, and that's what I'll be teaching on the day. We're talking, anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes, whatever time frames you want to work with. So it's about, so often as mothers or women, life is, there's so many demands on us, just finding that process. I know Oprah Winfrey, when she interviews people for jobs, she will ask them, what is your personal process? What is your spiritual practice? So,
okay.
How would you go with that, Andrea?
Okay, I think I wouldn't pass.
You wouldn't get a job.
Get the job.
Okay, we better work on that. So that's what we can do with you guys. We can help share this really simple practice that if you went for a job with Oprah, you could get.
Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, and I love to share with you more easy, healthy Thermi Living recipes as well. And I will give you the recipes for sure to take home, and so you can make the healthy chocolate cake for your family as well. And we have the whole day is full of nourishing food, fresh food. We will cook raw food, we will cook lovely Indian food, so you cook something for us as well. So it will be an amazing day, and you can dip in the sea as well if you want. We have music, so we can't wait to have you here.
And Andrea, you live in such a beautiful environment here. The other layer of this food and music is that you do get to walk on the beach and be surrounded and feel the nourishment from the ocean. So we have your personal body being nourished, we have your soul being nourished, and we have you supported in the whole environment, as well as hanging out with beautiful, other amazing, inspired women. So we really, really look forward to sharing the day with you guys. Whoever wants to join us, and you won't be disappointed, I can tell you.
Yeah, it will be a really amazing day. So can't wait to see you all, and
thank you.
I'll see you, and now you can eat the cake.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Are we going to do a music session too, aren't we?
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
I get
go.
it. Okay.